We're here with Anna Oakman with Versa. Anna, welcome to PMIES. Talk a little bit about the show and why you guys are here.
We are here every year since 2014, and it's basically in the name of the show, Plant Maintenance and Inspection. We run many run and maintain programs on site at major plants such as Expo Petroleum, Westlake Chemical, Phillips 66, all the on-stream inspections. So it's basically within the name. It's maintenance and inspection, and that is what we pride ourselves on, and we come out of Sulphur, Louisiana. So as you can imagine, that's a large industry.
So y'all headquarters in Sulphur. You have offices in Houston and where else?
We have offices in Houston, Freeport. We're about to open North Houston, and we also have Corpus Christi, and most recently Beaumont, Texas. That's one of my other divisions, and we have Lafayette, Louisiana, New Orleans, Louisiana, and we have our Mississippi office, and then it goes on to Florida. We have 3 different offices there.
Oh, wow.
And since the addition, which is an announcement.
Okay. What is that announcement? What's the news at Versa?
We basically have now a sister company, which is Carbon Steel Inspection, that is very well known in the Houston area, and they do all of the eddy current. You know, Versa had, we had tried to do our own eddy current, but it turns out that it works out better for us to have professionals, and that's all that they do. And they actually have a shop where they could build anything for an inspection that needs something special on a job that's difficult, and we can basically put it to their needs with CSI.
Well, thank you for the update on Versa.
You're welcome.